back to What's News. Today I'm going to be DIYing my own mask. So, let's get started. What you will need during this is obviously your mask, glue, and environmentally safe decorations. So, I got my fabric flowers and put the glue on. If you have something like the flowers that are quite big, it's good to put the glue in the middle. And I was thinking of what my pattern next would be. This is taking forever. It's a bit faster, please. Glue kept sticking to my hands and making it so itchy. Make sure you push them down so then they're safe and secure and don't fall off. If you don't agree with this pattern, you can always do a different one. Send pictures of your masks that you DIY'd in the comments below. I'd like to see them. I bet they look great. I hope you liked the video and I hope you take inspiration from it. Make sure to put your masks in the comments down below. Subscribe. See you soon. Optimism is the key.